Everybody, so we've got Laura and Aaron here, and Laura is our one of our managers here, and Aaron's one of our managers, and they came up, actually it was Laura came up with something we're going to call them, what are we calling them? Turkey?
They're avocado bombs.
Avocado bombs, we had all sorts of names we were calling it. So we have avocado bombs, folks, and we're going to show you how to make them. Let's jump right into it.
Alrighty y'all, here's how we make these things. So we've got avocado, and here's the stuffing that we're putting in them. It's got turkey, cheddar jack cheese, fresh jalapenos, and then we take it and we stuff it into the avocado. Then we smush it back together, and then we're wrapping it with bacon. Once we get it all wrapped with bacon, we're gonna put it in our smoker and we're gonna smoke it for about an hour, hour and a half at 275. Make sure the bacon's all nice and crispy. See how these turn out.
Hey guys, time to check on these avocados that we've had on the smoker for about 55 minutes now. We want to see if the bacon's nice and crispy. If not, we need to determine how much more time we should put it on for. Here we go. Pardon the smoke, part of the territory. Things are looking pretty good. Got about another 15-20 minutes to go. This bacon's looking a little soft right now. You want it to be nice and tight around there so it seals everything in and gives you a nice crisp bacon. Alright y'all, we checked it at the 15-minute mark and it needed a little bit more time, so now we're 25 minutes after the first check. So let's check it out and see how it's going. Ooh, those things are done. That one exploded just a little bit, which is gonna happen sometimes with them, and that's alright. We got this other one right behind here. That one came out perfect. Nice and juicy. You can tell that the bacon's fully cooked, tightly wrapped around the avocado.
Alright everybody, so I just cut this thing in half to show you what's in the side of it, and it looks amazing. So here we go, and you can see this just oozing out. You see that right there? Just oozing out. So alright, so what is in this again?
We got jalapeno, we got some mixed cheddar jack cheese, and we also got some turkey in there.
All right, let's give her a shot. I'm gonna cut it in half for me and you. Take a bite here.
Awesome.
All right, so
looks good.
Here we go.
Can't wait.
Cheers.
Yo, this thing is ridiculous.
Oh,
so flavorful.
Wow.
That's tasty.
Whoa.
Good.
All right. Look at that. Delicious. Oh dear Lord, Laura, you did it. That is so good.
So tasty.
Avocado bacon bombs right here at Sideways. Tomorrow, how many trays are we gonna have of this?
Gonna have 16 to 20 available tomorrow.
So 16 to 20. So if you buy one of these, you get a whole avocado if you buy one.
Entire avocado. Yes,
folks,
sir.
That's something you can share at a table. Cut it up, share it at a table. Eat it by yourself and be stingy. Is what I would do. I would probably get 2 of them, and then I would buy my wife 2, and I would eat hers. But these are worth it, folks. You got to come in here and eat some of these right now. And but get in here tomorrow. They'll be available. About 20 of them.
About 20.
When we're out, we're out. We'll see y'all tomorrow.